Hello, good day and welcome. I will be answering WASSCE 2020 Physics Past Question, Question 8. Which of the following requires material medium for its propagation? A. Radio wave, B. Light wave, C. Sound wave, and D. X-ray. Now, we're asked to pick an option which is a wave or a type of wave that requires material medium for its propagation. Now, like we know, we have two types of waves based on the need for a material medium for propagation, and this is the mechanical wave, and the electromagnetic wave. Now, the mechanical wave are waves that requires material medium for propagation. That is, this type of wave cannot be propagated in a vacuum. And example of a mechanical wave include the sound wave. We have the water wave, and so on. Now, electromagnetic wave, on the other hand, are waves that do not require material medium. They do not require material medium for propagation. An example of this wave are the radio wave, e.g. we have the radio wave, we have the X-ray, light wave, and so on. Now, this electromagnetic wave can be propagated in a vacuum. You know, a vacuum is an empty space. Now, mechanical waves, like I said, requires material medium for their propagation, and the question is asking us about what mechanical wave. And an example of mechanical wave is sound wave, which is option C. So therefore, sound wave is the answer to this question, because sound wave is a mechanical wave which requires material medium for its propagation. The other options here are electromagnetic waves that do not require material medium for propagation. And this sound wave requires material medium. The denser the medium, the faster its speed of propagation. So the answer to this question is option C, sound waves. Thank you and God bless you. And subscribe to the channel for more videos.